Hello, this is Curtis Morrison, your California-based immigration attorney practicing law in California and Washington, D.C. This video is for our Jacob versus Trump plaintiffs. It's been a very eventful week for you. On Monday, we filed the complaint, the motion for class certification, the motion for temporary restraining order, and the case was initially assigned to a magistrate judge. We declined that, and then it was assigned to Judge Donato, James Donato, and Judge Donato looked at everything we did, and he saw problems that we could do things better. And so he dismissed our complaint and our motions with leave to amend, saying you could fix this, right? And so that's what we did. Immediately, we worked all day and we filed an amended complaint, the first amended complaint. And that gave us an opportunity to fix some of the problems that the judge didn't know about, where we had spelled plaintiff names wrong or had a wrong case number, or actually we left out the names of some plaintiffs. And we were able to fix many of those problems with the amended complaint. Okay, what we have done today, Thursday, it's now Friday, what we did Thursday is we filed a renewed motion for class certification. We filed a renewed motion for temporary restraining order. And in both of those, we addressed some of those same things that Judge Donato pointed out to us in his order early in the week. Also today, I filed an application for admission pro hoc vice for Jana Al-Akras. She's one of our attorneys that is licensed in a different state than California, so we have to get special permission from the court for her to be on the case too. We're going to be doing that with one more attorney, Abadir Bar, on our team. So many attorneys on this team, very devoted to making this case work. Frequently asked question, will we get transferred to Judge Chin? And that's one thing I left out earlier. Judge Donato's deputy called us earlier in the week and said, file a notice with Judge Chin, letting him know about a related case. We did do that. And so we do not know if this case will get transferred to Judge Chin. It's a very complicated procedure, and actually different judges do it a little differently. So we just kind of have to wait on that. I think we'll have closure next week. We'll know whether or not we are transferred to Judge Chin or if we are staying with Judge Donato. We'll probably find that out, not tomorrow, but probably next week. But anyway, we have to move forward now as if we are with Judge Donato. So we have noticed a hearing on the motion for class certification February the 18th. That's a Thursday at 10 a.m. So that'll be the hearing on the motion for class certification. The motion for temporary restraining order, we may get a hearing before then. That's what we hope for. But we don't know yet, okay? So we're very busy, got a lot of work going on, and we're going to continue working. There's a couple more motions we intend to file that we're going to be working on this weekend. So if you've got questions, you can hold so our legal team can continue to work on motions to get tools before the court to give you relief. That would be great. Now, on this amended complaint we filed, I sent it out to you already by email. If you didn't get it, email us and let us know. I need you to search your name in it. You can use the find feature, or get a young person to say, how do I do this if you're not good with the internet? What I want you to do is search your name, make sure your name is in the complaint if you're a plaintiff that you paid and you signed a contract with us, and also that it's spelled correctly and that your case name is correct. It's a lot easier to fix a problem that may have happened early than later. So if you could do that over the weekend, today would be great, but over the weekend, and then if there's any problems at all, in this email that we're sending out today, there's instructions. You contact Philip on our team, Philip Duclos, and he will make any corrections that need to be made. We file what's called a notice of errata. where it's just like, hey, court, this is just clerical errors. Help us out here and change out these pages. So that's the way we will be solving those little problems. So I know that 5 minutes of me is probably more than most of you can take. So that is the end of the update for the Jacob versus Trump case for this week. And I expect next week will be an exciting week with many developments, and I will be sharing updates as they occur. Okay, thank you. Have a great weekend. Remember to relax. Okay, breathe air, drink water, walk around and outside. Okay, take care.